Welcome to my apartment. It's me, Hannah. Come look at all of my plants. Wow.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're here with our friend Hannah, and she's going to be giving us a tour of her apartment. So Hannah, first of all, can you tell the viewers where we are right now?
We're in Williamsburg, my apartment, where I have 7 roommates, and I've lived here for like almost 3 years.
So I see you have a lot of plants here. Is there any one that you remember buying first?
My philodendron Xanadu. It was a baby when I first bought it. It was really cool. It has wiggly leaves, and it's grown a lot.
Which stores around here have the best plants for sale?
Sprout Home, Brooklyn. Sprout Home. And Crest Hardware, where you recommended.
Yeah, sure, I've been to Crest before. They have tons of plants, and they actually have a gigantic pig who lives in the back courtyard.
I've never seen the pig.
You've never seen the
I've
pig?
never seen the pig. They have a bird.
Yeah, they have all kinds of animals there.
Oh yeah, and there's a store that has like a terracotta. We call this one the Terracotta Colony, but it's based off of a little store that has a billion little tiny terracotta animals.
Beautiful. I really like this marble pot that you have here too. It looks really happy.
This is where I get all of my cuttings to make new ones from. We have a new one right here, actually. Propagated these, and then got some baby leaves coming in. Seems to be happy.
With a decent amount of light and water, they will grow like crazy, which can be really satisfying if you are new to the hobby.
This is the one that I spent a lot of money on. 40 something maybe in Chinatown at a little shop.
Okay.
This pot, it completed it, so I had to get it. Shout out group partner. I've killed plenty of mosses by not keeping them moist enough, so I decided to try and put a vase over it, and it's been thriving.
So these are all the same pot you have here. I like the kind of continuity. Can you tell us about it? These are terracotta or what?
They're terracotta. I think they're called Luna planters. They're all from Sprout. I pretty much bought all of their Luna pots. And then this is Chinatown Market and Windows Coffee. They just have a little collab. And I put another little snake plant in it. One last thing, it's a super secret experiment that only the roommates that share a bathroom with me know about. It's this snake plant that needed a little water, so we put it in the shower, and then it started growing its own pup in the shower, totally away from light. So it's grown in kind of albino, which is so cool. In the middle you can see is also growing very albino. Okay guys, thanks for looking at all of my plants, and thanks Max and Lauren for filming this hopefully very cool interview that you all watched. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and one of us will get back to you.
This is our first plant tour video, and we're definitely going to be doing a lot more. So if anyone lives in the New York area, we would love to meet you and hear about your plants, see your apartment, and film another interview. Yes, that's it, Hannah. Thank you so much for having us.
Of course, thanks.
And we'll see you next time.
All right.
Plant Talk TV signing off.
Signing off.